Nestled within the Kings Bay Estates enclave of the picturesque rural community of Seagrave, welcome to 195 Southcrest Drive. A stunning two-bedroom stone and brick bungalow, a stone walkway and stone portico are the befitting entry into a main level showcasing an open concept layout with just over 2,200 square feet of main level living space, 9-foot ceilings, and superb finishes that include dark hardwood flooring, crown moldings, wainscotting, exquisite chandeliers and pot lighting, as well as open half walls with square pillars. The incredibly spacious living room has a 12-foot vaulted trim ceiling with a French chandelier, and along its south wall is a built-in media unit with upper cabinet moldings, LED accent lighting, and which includes a TV on a swivel arm. The cabinets surround a gas fireplace, its mantle accented with polished tiles, and the huge picture window of this beautiful entertaining space, as well as all the east-facing windows in the home, provide breathtaking views of Lake Scugog and the surrounding vistas. Recently upgraded, the exceptional working space of the Green Apple designed gourmet kitchen showcases luxury vinyl plank flooring and high-end stainless steel KitchenAid appliances including microwave, stove with dual convection ovens, and a 2-drawer French door fridge, as well as a Bosch Silence Plus dishwasher. The white cabinetry has upper cabinet moldings and both upper cabinet and under cabinet LED accent lighting. The backsplash is finished with beautiful stone tiles. The quartz countertop extends to the peninsula, which has a deep stainless steel undermount sink and breakfast seating, while for added storage, a large pantry surrounds the fridge. Enjoying both east and north-facing exposures, accentuating the dining room's elegance is a gorgeous chandelier, and French doors from this entertaining space open to an east-facing, fully screened-in 3-season sun deck overlooking Lake Scugog that features 3 walls of floor-to-ceiling windows, a ceiling fan, ceramic flooring, as well as a walkout to the backyard and green spaces along the lake. Just off the kitchen area is a side door to a small deck that has a natural gas barbecue, as well as a laundry room with Maytag washer and gas dryer, cabinets with undermount accent lighting, as well as storage shelves and a medicine cabinet. The north hallway ends at a 3-piece spa washroom with tiled finishes, a corner tub with a handheld shower, as well as a beautiful vanity with stone counter, with this washroom an adjoining ensuite for the second bedroom, which features cozy carpeting, a double closet, and an arched west-facing window. The foyer has a double coat closet, ceramic flooring, and a glass-paneled entry door with side lights and transom. The main hall and lower hardwood staircase are finished with hardwood railings with white spindles, while the south hall leads to the serenity of the master suite. Very generously sized, this dual-aspect retreat enjoys lake views, is carpeted for coziness and comfort, and has a stunning chandelier, as well as a large walk-in closet next to the ensuite washroom. This spa-like space showcases tiled finishes, a rimless glass shower with a marble bench seat and a rainfall shower head, a linen closet, and a furniture-style vanity with stone counter, medicine cabinet, and exquisite vanity lighting. The staircase walls to the lower level are finished with wainscoting, and this level brings exceptional living and entertaining space to the home, has 9-foot ceilings throughout, as well as a large well-lit utility and furnace room with deep storage shelves. Featuring vinyl plank flooring, LED spot lighting, oversized windows, and an open floor plan, this level has a combined living room and studio with a wall display ledge, an unfitted kitchen with a stone double sink, cabinets and undermount lighting, a 4-piece washroom with a linen closet, a bonus room well suited as a den or private office, as well as a huge flex room with 2 double closets and a French door entry from the living room, with uses such as a hobby room, fitness room, a separate family space, and much more. Other great features of this home include an HVAC system, a water softener, and an owned hot water tank and reverse osmosis system, a mudroom with access to a double-car garage with ample driveway parking, and all the main level windows have professionally installed protective film to cut heat, glare, and to provide complete privacy during the day. Overlooking Lake Scugog in a serene rural community surrounded by green space and having the conveniences of in-town living, including municipal water, sewage, and natural gas, this home is just a short 7-minute drive to the nearby town of Port Perry for shopping, restaurants, recreational facilities, and GO bus service for commuters, who also benefit from Highways 7, 12, 35, and the 407 as major thoroughfares for commuting throughout Durham Region and the city of Kawartha Lakes.